Cut! Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we have a very special edition. As you can see, I have somebody in the building with me. Guys, meet my sister. This is my one and only sister, my blood sister, my ride or die, my every, okay? I've talked about her so much on this channel, and yeah, you're gonna meet her today. So introduce yourself, madam. Introduce yourself.
Hi guys, my name is Vivian and this is my big head sister.
I'm so excited to have her here with me. I'm just so excited to have her with me in general. And I'm super duper excited. I've not seen her since this whole COVID-ish started, and I'm so excited she's here today. And yeah, we are going to be doing a sister tag. Yes guys, a sister tag. So we're going to be answering questions and also just very fun stuff about the both of us. So if you want to know more about us, please do keep on watching. Question number 1, we have, who is the older and the younger sibling? Okay, so what?
I'm your senior sister.
Told you liar. How can you
I am the senior sister.
Guys, you can virtually tell I am the senior sister, okay? Like this whole caramel juicy goodness right here is the senior sister, okay? And she is my younger sister. So yeah, she's the younger sibling and I'm the older. Next question. What do you like about your sibling? What do you like about me? Girl.
Nothing.
No, it's cool.
Okay, so what do I like about her? I don't know because I don't even know at what point I even started liking this girl, because she made my life a living hell growing up. I used to be the talkative sister,
don't
and you know, when you're trying to talk to her, she's always like, think
about it.
try to think.
Everyone should think
Use
in
your
life.
time
I
to
don't
think.
get
So I really don't even know
think.
at what point in life we started bonding, but I know that at this point she's like my best friend, and yeah, I talk about everything with her, and I know her like a book. You know, I've read her. If she's a book, I've read her like 100 times.
Oh, that's so sweet.
She's my sister. She's my backbone. If you want to see the shea wearing me, just try and sing with her. Yeah.
So guys, personally myself, what I love about my sister is she's resilient. Like guys, she does not stop. No matter how difficult something may be to do, if she puts her mind to it, she does it, and she does it well. And that is something I really love about her. I need to get this girl out of this place. This is just too much to handle. Next question. What annoys you about your sibling? I guess you already answered my own. You've answered my own in the first one now.
This girl is irritating. I don't even know how I keep up with her. Like, what irritates me the more is we are two different. We have different personalities.
Yeah.
She fakes being quiet, and I am naturally the outspoken one. But when we are inside the house, anybody that knows her inside the house knows there's nothing like quiet in the place. But when she's outside, she's like cold water.
That's not
ice
guys.
water.
See, I'm an introvert and an extrovert. So yeah,
Ambivert.
I can, whatever that is, I can give off both sides when needed, okay? And I don't see how that's a problem, okay? So we're moving on to the next question because she doesn't even have anything to say about me that is bad, okay? So, what was the last text you sent to each other?
I was drinking tea
And
with a lot of milk, and I
at the bottom
at the bottom of the cup.
Guys, if you drink tea in Nigeria, you know that when you load powdered milk inside, you know the settlement it gives.
Exactly.
She snapped it and she sent it to me.
And I told her pure joy.
Yeah. Annoying, guys. Next question. What do you and your sibling have in common? I don't think we have anything
Don't
in
have
common.
anything in common. The only thing we have in common is makeup.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. Let me give you a short story. When I was like doing my IT, IT, I was basically at home most of the time after I finished. We were supposed to like find something to get busy.
And school
with.
was
And
on
and
strike.
school was on strike at that period, so she was at home as well. So that was like the most boring period of our lives, and I guess that was one of the times we found ourselves when
Yeah.
it comes to things we love doing. So we actually decided, okay, we saw a flyer somewhere about makeup trainings, and we just decided to register and go for it, and that was how we just basically fell in love with makeup. Next question is, in which area are you and your sibling the complete opposite?
I think we mentioned it. She can be very quiet, and I'm naturally the loud.
She's
sibling.
naturally loud,
Yeah, so
guys.
when I come into a room, I light the whole place up.
No lighting. She sets it ablaze. She sets it ablaze. Oh my god, she sets it ablaze. So guys, the next question is, how often do you guys quarrel? A lot. A freaking lot.
No. Okay, so we never quarrel when we are apart. Never quarrel. We never quarrel when we are apart.
Yeah, that's
But when we are together,
it's a cat and dog stuff. Growing up, okay, let me put it like this. Growing up, we quarreled a lot. Like it was an
let me.
everyday
I have a confession. Growing up, this is the first time Onyinye is ever going to hear it. Ever.
And you want to say it on camera?
Ever.
Are you kidding
But
me?
growing up, I wrote her name inside paper and flushed it inside toilet.
Jesus.
That's how much we quarreled.
She was like,
On to the next.
guys, it's over. Like, cut. Are you for real?
Yes. Next question.
Oh my god. I am in shock. Oh gosh. Next question is, describe your sibling with 3 adjectives. Go on. Yeah.
So she's calm, no doubt. She's
Yes.
calm
Oh my
because
gosh.
even when I've seen her in labor, she's calm. Yeah, and she's very hostile.
How can I be calm and hostile at the same time? Girl,
If you
it
don't
doesn't
know
add up.
her,
It doesn't
she's
add
calm.
up. It does
If
not
you know
add
her,
up.
she's hostile. Lastly, she's wonderful.
Yes.
Yeah, she's wonderful in every sense of the
Oh
word.
my god,
Wonderful.
guys, I'm about to tear. Oh my gosh. Okay, so let me describe her in 3 adjectives, guys. She is Raz, if that is an adjective. She's a bully, but she's the most soft-hearted person I know. Yeah. Next question. Hey, this question is so sweet, girl. Who keeps their room/home cleaner? Huh? Baby girls, go on.
I'm very free-spirited.
You must be silly. Is that the question?
I like to be free. I like to feel free. So
I tend to
hold on.
You are just going with it.
I tend to keep things where I can see them.
Okay. She can answer. Let me help her. Guys, I
Excuse
am
me.
the cleaner person in the both of us. Let me just leave it at that. Because if you go to her room, sis don't know how to behave, okay? So I'm definitely the cleaner person. Let me drop it there, okay? Who takes longer to get dressed?
She.
Okay, yes, I agree. I take longer to get dressed, but the good thing about it is that I start early. So before she's even done, I have been done like 30 minutes ago. So I take longer to get
because
dressed.
I know that I do not take so much time to get dressed. I can start at any time I want.
Whatever. Because I know I take longer to get dressed, I kind of start on time, so I'm never late for anything. Trust me, guys, I never go late for anything. So yeah. Who takes longer to do their hair?
Madam. She's the one.
Yeah, I take longer to do my hair. That's because I love perfection, okay? I like things done.
It's not that needs to be perfect.
I don't know for you, but I personally love things done in a very well-shaped manner. So I like to take my time to do things generally. So who watches TV the most?
I never watch TV actually.
But you watch Big Brother.
Yeah, I watch Big Brother.
So what are you saying?
But I never sit down to watch a movie.
Okay. What are your siblings' weird obsession?
Okay, go. My sibling, my sibling, her weird obsession is shopping. She loves to buy new things.
Yeah.
Like, she can have 5 same things from different brands. Just different brands, but they all do the same thing.
Guys, I'm having it, okay? I can't even lie. Yeah, I love it. Can't come and tell you. What's your weird obsession?
I am not a weird human
does-
being. I'm very straight to the point.
She doesn't have a weird obsession. Let me just drop it at that. She doesn't. What's your sibling's biggest talent?
I don't think I have a talent.
Girl, you know my talent. Go ahead and pronounce it. I don't care if you have.
What is your talent?
What kind of stupid question is that?
Do you have talent? We don't have talent. But we don't have talent.
I have talent.
Oh yes, how can I forget? My sister is the most. She is a pharmaceutical company on her own.
Flicks hair.
Oh my god, how can I forget?
Flicks hair.
I don't know how she does it, but she sees a product, she sees the what do they call it, chemical combination or whatever it is, and she's up to making hers, and she gets it.
That's right. Who is the more talkative? This child here can talk for the future and the past and the present. She's a talk and a thief. Okay, so she's the talkative. Who is more athletic?
Me.
Yeah, she is. I ain't got time for that. Who sleeps longer? Jesus. This one, she sleeps like somebody that is a fly by. Chibuzo can sleep. Chibuzo can sleep. She's a sleeper. Sleeping Beauty. She and Sleeping Beauty. It's like she's from that lineage. Cause I can't believe that she's from my own. You know? Who is more funny in the both of you?
Oh.
No, girl, you can't be the.
Mua. Look at that.
I am funnier. We both are funny.
No, she's not funny. She's very. You don't need
See,
to
I've been
know
making
her.
you laugh here for the past how many
I've been
minutes
making
now?
myself laugh,
I've
excuse
been
me.
making you laugh.
And you've not been
Because
laughing.
you laugh when I say something. So yeah, you obviously know I'm the funnier person. What is your sibling's favorite song? She has. Okay, let me just say her genres of music is mostly Nigerian. Proudly Nigerian. I don't have a favorite music. I listen to everything. I love Beyonce. Please, I love Beyonce. Thanks. Who's the better cook? Baby girl, I'm the better cook. I see you in my dreams.
Lie. Look at me here, over here.
The only thing she can cook very well, guys, is party jollof, and that's a period.
On God.
I can't even say that. That's the only thing. Every other thing is a no-no. Okay. Who is the better dancer? Go on. Go on. Go on.
I can twerk better than her.
That is not dancing. that can never be dancing. Hi guys, I am the better dancer. She dances off tune. She claps off tune. Everything that has to do with the movement of her body is off tune. So
That's what she
know.
thinks.
That's what I know. How much time do you spend together?
Very limited time. So whenever we are together, we love to make the most of it.
Yeah.
Catch up, gist.
Gossip.
Gist. I pity you if your name is on our list.
Oh my god. Yeah, guys. Basically, we love to catch up a lot because we don't get to see each other so much. I guess ever since uni, we've never been at one place all the time. So yeah, we just try to catch up the most we can whenever we see. So guys, this is going to be the very last question, and it's what is the funniest memories of each other?
Go on. We have a lot of funny moments.
We have a lot of funny moments
Like,
together. We can't even stop joking. Like
As in
so many funny moments
so many.
together.
Every
Like
moment,
I'm trying to look for the one to pick from, but like
every moment
everything
is like very funny.
every day is like laughter for
Like,
both of us.
exactly.
So yeah. So guys, this is the end of this video. I really do hope you enjoyed it as much as I did, and I got to uncover some new things. And also guys, if you want to also know more more things about both of us, you can drop it in the comment section and I will do well to answer them. Guys, if you also enjoyed this video, you know what to do. Give it a thumbs up and click the subscribe button and the bell button right beside so that you get notified whenever I put up a new video. Okay? And also, guys, drop your comments down below, share with your friends and family. You know, let's grow this family. Let's grow this family. Okay? Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.